Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Self-Study Mandarin. If you want to speak Chinese more naturally and express your true feelings, you are in the right place. Before we dive into today's lesson, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your fellow Chinese learning friends. It really helps the channel grow so we can keep making free lessons for you. Ready? Let's get started. Today, we are looking at an essential HSK2 level grammar point, gen plus an adjective. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to express your strong feelings and emotions in Mandarin, making your Chinese sound much more authentic and expressive. First things first, what exactly is gen? Simply put, it is the magic key to adding the words really or so to your Chinese vocabulary. When you want to emphasize a point, gen is the word you need. Let's look at the core structure. It is super simple. The structure, all you do is take gen and put it directly in front of an adjective. The English meaning, it translates to really or so. The function, why do we use it? We use it to intensify the degree of the adjective, but more importantly, it shows the speaker's emotion. It's not just a fact, it's a feeling. Let me explain what I mean by emotion. Using gen is all about subjective emphasis. You use it when you have a strong emotion. This could be admiration, surprise, or even dissatisfaction. Here's the perfect context. Imagine you are actually looking at something right in front of you, and you feel instantly impressed or moved. That immediate reaction is exactly when you use gen. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine you are eating a bowl of amazing food. You take a bite, and your reaction is, 这个菜真好吃. This dish is really delicious. Or you wake up, open the curtains, and the sun is shining brightly. You say, 今天天气真好. The weather today is really nice. Notice how in both situations you are experiencing the moment right then and there. Now, you might be wondering, wait, doesn't hen also mean very? What is the difference? This is a great question. Hen plus adjective means very. The tone is objective and neutral. It's used for stating facts. Gen plus adjective means so or really. The tone is subjective and emotional. It's used for expressing feelings. Here's a great way to remember it. Hen is like a thermometer. It just tells you the temperature factually. But gen is like a person shouting, wow! Let's put them side by side to really see the difference. Look at this red dress. If I just want to tell you a simple fact about the dress, I use hen. 这个衣服很漂亮. The clothes are very beautiful. Neutral fact. But if I see the dress and I am amazed by it, I use gen. 这个衣服真漂亮. The clothes are so beautiful. You can hear the excitement. To wrap up, let's look at the two most common sentence patterns you will use. Pattern 1. You can make your emotion even stronger by adding a modal particle at the end, like a, ya, or na. Subject plus gen plus add plus a. Example, 这个地方真漂亮啊. This place is so beautiful. Pattern 2. The standard pattern we've been practicing. Subject plus gen plus add. Example, 他真聪明. He is really smart. And there you have it. Now you know how to use gen to express your true feelings like a native speaker.
今天的天气真好。今天的天气真好。
对，今天天气很好。对，今天天气很好。
你的衣服真漂亮。你的衣服真漂亮。
谢谢，这件衣服很便宜。谢谢，这件衣服很便宜。
这个中国菜真好吃。 这个中国菜真好吃。
是的，味道很不错。是的，味道很不错。
昨天的考试真难。昨天的考试真难。
我也觉得考试很难。我也觉得考试很难。
那个杯子真贵。那个杯子真贵。
可是那个杯子很漂亮。可是那个杯子很漂亮。
你的小狗真可爱。你的小狗真可爱。
他是我的好朋友。他是我的好朋友。
这里的咖啡真好喝。这里的咖啡真好喝。
我也觉得咖啡很好。我也觉得咖啡很好。
那个电影真长。那个电影真长。
电影有3个小时。电影有3个小时。
这本书真有意思。这本书真有意思。
里面的故事很好看。里面的故事很好看。
他跑步跑得真快。他跑步跑得真快。
因为他每天都很努力。因为他每天都很努力。
外面真冷啊！外面真冷啊！
你要多穿一件衣服。你要多穿一件衣服。
这个西瓜真大呀！这个西瓜真大呀！
我们一起吃西瓜吧。我们一起吃西瓜吧。
今天真热呢。今天真热呢。
我们去喝点冷饮吧。我们去喝点冷饮吧。
你的房间真干净啊！你的房间真干净啊！
我早上打扫了房间。 我早上打扫了房间。
这个问题真简单呀。这个问题真简单呀。
你真是一个聪明人。你真是一个聪明人。
你的手表真漂亮呢。你的手表真漂亮呢。
这是我爸爸送给我的。这是我爸爸送给我的。
那个苹果真红啊。那个苹果真红啊。
看起来一定很好吃。看起来一定很好吃。
这里的风景真美啊。这里的风景真美啊。
我们拍一张照片吧。我们拍一张照片吧。
这个蛋糕真甜呢。这个蛋糕真甜呢。
你不能吃太多蛋糕。你不能吃太多蛋糕。
你的头发真长啊。你的头发真长啊。
我明天去剪头发。我明天去剪头发。
我今天真累。我今天真累。
你早点去睡觉吧。你早点去睡觉吧。
那个医院真远。那个医院真远。
我们可以坐出租车去。我们可以坐出租车去。
哥哥的车开得真慢。哥哥的车开得真慢。
因为外面在下大雨。因为外面在下大雨。
这家商店真大。这家商店真大。
里面有很多东西。里面有很多东西。
你的汉字写得真好。你的汉字写得真好。
我每天都在练习。我每天都在练习。
弟弟今天真高兴。 弟弟今天真高兴。
因为今天是他的生日。因为今天是他的生日。
妈妈今天真忙。妈妈今天真忙。
他在准备晚饭。他在准备晚饭。
那个篮球真旧。那个篮球真旧。
我们买一个新的吧。我们买一个新的吧。
这里的学生真多。这里的学生真多。
他们都在学习汉语。他们都在学习汉语。
这个椅子真高。这个椅子真高。
你小心一点坐。你小心一点坐。